Welcome to the Innovation Hub. Today, we are gonna cover top 5 latest global tech news.
First up,
a business owner's decision to employ ChatGPT for customer service led to the replacement of human employees. The move highlights the growing role of AI-driven solutions in streamlining customer interactions and reducing operational costs. While AI chatbots like ChatGPT can offer efficiency and scalability, it also raises questions about the impact on employment. This case exemplifies the ongoing transformation of industries through AI technology, where businesses seek to strike a balance between automation and maintaining a human touch in customer service.
moving forward,
The advent of a new algorithm has accelerated concerns regarding the threat quantum computers pose to encryption. This development suggests that quantum computers may be able to crack encryption sooner than previously anticipated. As quantum computing advances, the security of current encryption methods is increasingly vulnerable, raising the urgency for organizations to explore quantum-resistant encryption techniques. This news highlights the need for robust cybersecurity strategies in a world where quantum computing could potentially disrupt traditional encryption protocols.
next up,
Tom Hanks has issued a warning about the presence of an AI-generated doppelganger impersonating him on Instagram. This incident underscores growing concerns about deepfake technology and its potential for identity theft and misinformation. It serves as a reminder of the need for vigilance and security measures in the digital age, as individuals and celebrities alike face the risk of having their identities exploited by AI-generated content. Hanks' message highlights the importance of raising awareness about the potential dangers associated with deepfakes and the imperative to combat their misuse.
moving forward,
A security flaw in Skype raises concerns as reading a message on the platform could potentially reveal a user's location to hackers. This vulnerability stems from the way Skype handles messages and could lead to the exposure of a user's IP address, subsequently allowing malicious actors to determine their location. The discovery underscores the importance of robust cybersecurity measures and vigilance in safeguarding online privacy, emphasizing the need for constant updates and precautions when using messaging services to protect against potential threats.
next up,
Lenovo has pledged to make 80% of its devices user-repairable by 2025, signaling a significant shift toward sustainability and consumer empowerment. This commitment aims to reduce electronic waste and extend the lifespan of Lenovo products by allowing users to perform their repairs. It aligns with the broader trend of companies prioritizing eco-friendly and user-centric practices in the tech industry. Lenovo's initiative demonstrates a proactive approach to addressing environmental concerns and promoting consumer rights to repair, setting a positive example for the electronics industry as a whole.
and that's it for today. If you like what we are making, then please show support by subscribing and hitting that like button. That will motivate us. And so you are still here, then please comment your favorite part and suggest any improvement. Thank you for watching till here.